Jackson. Here is what I want my midlife women to stop doing. Normally we talk about things that you should be doing. Today, it's something you shouldn't be doing. And I usually come up with things that I find in my own life are barriers and distractions or stressors. And here it is. I want you to stop rushing. Let that sink in. I want you to stop rushing. And I find that in my own life, I'm always rushing to help somebody else. I'm rushing because this person wants me there. I'm rushing because I need to do this for this other person. I'm rushing because there's an obligation for that person. And I'm just rushing and rushing and rushing. And by the end of the week, my body is saying, you better slow it down. Stop feeling the need to please. Stop always volunteering to do things that maybe you really don't have the time to do, but you just have the heart and the soul. But at the end of the day, you can really only do but so much. So I want you to think about that as you plan for the upcoming day, the upcoming week. What are your plans for this month? Space things out and tell yourself you're simply not going to rush. Because no matter how much you rush, time still goes at the same pace. It's like those folks who try to run around you while you're driving and then a stop light comes on, a red light comes on, and they can't really go anywhere. Because no matter how much you rush, you don't beat time. So I want you to think about that as you're talking about or think about your midlife maintenance, as we call it, on our Your Stylish Ways blog that reviews style and self-care. So think about that you're going to stop rushing and you're going to pace yourself. You are going to pace yourself. It's okay. It's okay to say, not right now, not today, maybe some other time. So you can say to yourself that right now I'm going to take care of you. When you think about it, think about how much you rush. I see people rushing to work in the morning and I ask myself, are they rushing because they're eager to get to work? Or are they rushing because they didn't want to go to work? They started out late and here they are, just miserable, rushing. So that's my midlife maintenance advice that I'm giving to all my 40, 50, 60 plus women who need a little maintenance in our lives. And everything isn't just visual maintenance, it's in our souls that we have to bring to peace. So for more information that combines lifestyle and self-care, go to yourstylishways.com. I hope that helps you. Let it sink in and meditate on that this week. Bye-bye.